Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to sell off your Shiba and exchange it back into US dollars using XLM or Stellar Lumens through Coinbase. This is basically an exact reverse process of my previous video, which you can check out if you're interested in learning how to buy Shiba Inu coin specifically in New York. What you're going to need is a Kucoin account and a Coinbase account. So first, in your Kucoin account, you will have your Shiba Inu coin in your trading account. If it's already in your main account, you can just go and transfer it back into trading. Then go up to spot trading in the top left and search for SHIB/USDT. I already have SHIB/USDT open right here, but you can go to the search bar in the top left and type it in. Go down in the bottom right to where it says sell SHIB and click on market price, and then select how much SHIB you want to sell. You can do 25%, 50, 75, 100%, or you can type in a custom amount. I'm going to be selling 1,000 SHIB for this example, but you can select how much you want here. Click on Sell SHIB and you should see it go through. There'll be a little ding. Then search up or go to XLM/USDT and enter the amount of XLM you wish to purchase, and then click on Buy XLM. You'll now see in your assets the newly purchased amount of XLM. Then you're going to transfer this amount from your trading account back into your main account. Once you've done this, go to your main account and click Withdraw. This will take you to a page where you can send the XLM to a new wallet, which we'll be using Coinbase to receive. Next, go to your Coinbase account and click on Portfolio. Scroll down to where you see XLM, which is going to show up here if you already have some, otherwise you can just search for it. And then click on Receive. This will give you the address and memo that is needed to receive XLM. Copy and paste these back into the withdrawal page on Kucoin. Here you can see the various fees attached to each. For example, if you just sold the SHIB for USDT, you can see the fee is much higher than using XLM, so that's why I prefer using Stellar Lumens. Once you send XLM to Coinbase, you can then go back into your Coinbase account and click on Buy Sell at the top right. Go to Sell and make sure it's selling Stellar Lumens and enter the amount you wish to sell. Click Preview Sell and it will show you the fees involved here. So as you can see, to sell $20 worth of XLM, there is a fee of $1.49 and the payout is $18.51 in total, which you will receive in US dollars. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful and let me know in the comments if there's any other types of videos you'd like to see.